JCID Diagnosable Battery Operation Guide. Install the diagnosable battery in mobile phone. Boot up the phone. Enter Settings, About, Parts, Service History. There is a pop-up window about battery. Click Restart and finish repair. Note: during repairing, the mobile phone need to be flashed to the latest version and connect with Wi-Fi or cellular network before running diagnostics. Then click Continue according to the steps. Continue. Click Agree and Continue. Wait for running diagnostics. After the battery running as a genuine Apple part, click Continue. After running diagnostics, restart the phone. There is no unknown part prompt. Battery health has been fixed.